Welcome to day 4, the final day of the 3rd Nature Island Challenge. Yeah. The current standings, we have Trinidad and Tobago white with 190 points. In second in the current standings, Germany red with 145 points. And currently in third, we have USA orange with 130 points. Today there are 110 points up for grabs. This means that any team can win the Nature Island Challenge. We are in Kalinago territory at Kalinago Barana Otay, village by the sea. The Kalinago are the largest indigenous population in the Caribbean. Today's run on the Waitakabuli National Trail is 8.5 miles and 2,000 feet. Good luck! We'll see you at Purple Turtle Beach for the final major challenge. Yeah! The rules state that each person on a team must complete the trail run at least 2 of the 4 days. There's a 10-point penalty per day if this does not happen. USA Orange will incur this 10-point penalty as Wade will run in place of Danny today. On day 1, Barbados Yellow also incurred the same 10-point penalty when Barrington was forced to withdraw and Christina finished alone. A local ceremony led by Kalinago Chief Charles Williams of the Kalinago Territory kicks off this final day of the Nature Island Challenge.
Welcome to the territory and do your best on the trail and good luck.
3, 2, 1, go! Germany red departs the first mini challenge in the lead, Kalinago Barana Otay. But the reports are that Trinidad Tobago white and USA orange have caught them, and the distance between the two is barely a minute.
I gotta get him.
I'm losing the day, man. Orange has passed red and white. I repeat, orange is in front, having passed red and white.
USA Orange arrives first at Mini Challenge 3. There's still some tough miles left, and they'll have to stay really strong to keep this lead.
The counter.
Okay.
We had to sub out teammates, so we automatically take 10 points down today. So we gotta take first, try to win as many points as possible.
Put in bottle.
Could this be the day that Trinidad White finally loses their title?
Heads up, guys, they're coming in.
More from the Nature Island Challenge when we return.